Hello class 7. Today we will continue with exercise 10 of simple interest. So question number 2. On what sum of money does the SI, that is simple interest for 10 years at 5% become rupees 1600? So here on what sum means we have to find the principal. So let principal be the question mark. That means we have to find principal. Does the SI for this condition become rupees 1600? So simple interest is 1600, time is 10 years and the rate is 5%. Now we know the formula P is equal to I into 100 by R into T. So replace these values. I is 1600 into 100, rate is 5% and time is 10 years. So 5 into 10 is 50 and 50 can cancel 100 two times. So 1600 into 2, which is equal to 3200. So 3200 is the required principal on which amount the simple interest becomes 1600 for 10 years at 5%. Next is question number 4. In what time will a sum of money double itself at 8% per annum? So in what time means we'll find the time. Will a sum of money double itself? That means we are talking about amount that becomes double of the principal that has been borrowed. So the amount will be equal to double of the principal, that is A is equal to 2P, and the rate is 8%. Now we know that amount is equal to interest plus principal. That means interest will be equal to amount minus principal when it goes to that side. So I is equal to A minus P. Now amount is 2P and principal is simply P. So 2P minus P gives us P. Now the time, the formula is interest into 100 by R into P, where interest is, here we have got principal P into 100 by rate is 8%. So 8 into principal, we haven't assumed principal to be anything. So it is P itself, where P and P cancels. 108 can be cancelled by 4. 100 will be cancelled by 4 25 times and 8 will be cancelled 2 times. So 25 by 2 is equal to 12 and a half years. So time, the required time is equal to 12 and a half years. Next is question number 7. Find the sum which will amount to rupees 700 in 5 years at 8% per annum. So you have to find the sum. So we assume principal to be as question mark, which will amount to rupees 700 means the amount is equal to rupees 700 in time 5 years and rate 8%. So here you have to find the principal, amount is given, time is given and rate is given. Now here we can use the formula principal is equal to interest into 100 by rate into time. But for that we need to have interest. So we have the interest is not there, instead amount is there. And we cannot, we cannot solve this problem without having the principal. So we'll assume the principal to be as rupees X. This assumption is done so that we can start with the normal way of solving the problem. So the principal, as we have said, is X. Then the interest using time and rate as 5 years and 8% respectively. Principal is X, rate is 8% and time is 5 years. So we get interest is equal to X into 8 into 5 by 100. 8 into 5 is 40. So 40X by 100 will be the interest. So now since interest we have obtained, that means amount also we can find out using principal plus interest. Now the principal is X that we have assumed and the interest is 40X by 100 that we have calculated just now. And when you add these two, you will get 100 in the denominator. So 100X plus 40X, that is 140X by 100. And 140X by 100 means it is 14X by 10 if you cancel 0 and 0 from the numerator and denominator. So 14X by 10 is the amount that we have calculated. Now 14x by 10 is the amount that we have calculated, and according to the question, the amount is given as rupees 700. This means that this 14x by 10 and this 700 has to be equal. So here when we equate it, we get the equation and we can easily solve and get the value of x. So x is equal to 700 into 10 divided by 14, which goes down to the denominator. Now 14 will cancel 700 50 times. So 50 into 10 is 500. So the principal over here that we are supposed to find is equal to rupees 500. That is the required answer.